Culinary Hub presents Bombay Halwa with pineapple flavor, a simple yet amazing sweet. To prepare this, I am using pineapple chunks and dry fruits. For cooking in a pan, I'll be adding 1 cup of sugar. In another mixing jar, I'll be adding 1 cup of corn flour. Now it is the time to add the liquids. To the sugar, I'll be adding exactly 1 cup of water. The ratio is 1:1 sugar and water. For corn flour, I'll add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of pineapple juice. For a nice yellow color, few drops of food color goes in. I've started cooking. First, let me melt the sugar. Once the sugar dissolves in water, it is the time to add corn flour and pineapple juice mixture. I'll make sure that I'm stirring the mixture continuously as I'm cooking it on a very low flame. After 5 minutes of cooking, you can see that corn flour slightly starts thickening up as it is shown. The stirring should be continuous and the flame should be low. Once the mixture turns translucent, it will be the time to add ghee. I'll add 1 tablespoon and mix it thoroughly. If all the ghee is added at one go, the texture of halwa will not be good. So each time I'll be adding 1 tablespoon, mix it and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'll add the other half of the ghee. Once I have added half a cup of ghee, it will be the time to add pineapple chunks, dry fruits and cook the halwa till it starts leaving the sides of the pan. I have used almost half a cup of ghee for this recipe. Once the halwa starts leaving the sides of the pan, it ensures that it is thoroughly cooked. I will grease up a dish, line it up with a parchment paper for easy demoulding. I'll put up some chopped dry fruits. When the halwa is still hot, it is the time to pour it in the mold. You did not refrigerate it, it sets up at room temperature itself. It will take approximately 1 hour. After 1 hour of cooling, it is the time to demold the halwa. Just look at this, super delicious. The texture is not rubbery since I have not been stirring vigorously. I have been stirring the halwa gently. It is firm but yet soft and not very rubbery. This is the texture that I enjoy and hope even you will fall in love with this recipe once you try it. And it will be the time to say goodbye to the store-bought halwas after trying out this recipe. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more such interesting recipes.